Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. If you're looking for a practical way to organize your room or office, check out these underbed storage bins by EE-RoomWorld. They're super useful and spacious, allowing me to store anything I need, from blankets, towels, shoes, toys, or even my purses, as you can see. I couldn't stand seeing my coat hanger looking like that anymore. So now with this, I could make everything look neat and tidy. And the best part is that it doesn't require any assembly. It literally takes less than 5 minutes to put this together. Plus, it protects all of my items from dust and it doesn't even need to be carried since it has wheels. But just in case you want to carry it from room to room, it also has handles. It also comes with a label so you can write down what you store, and the size of this storage bin is big enough to take advantage of space. This is such an affordable and practical way to make your house look nice. And that's my point of view.